Hey, what's up, Kiba crew? This is Bill. How's it going? So, as we said last time, one of the major things that sets us apart from other projects is use case and utility. In our case, it's in the form of KIBASWAP. That's our super safe in-house DEX, and it's also a launchpad. So we've got KIBASWAP, Kiba FOMO, the honeypot checker, Kiba Tools, and Kiba reports. And today we're going to be focusing especially on how easy it is for you to buy Kiba on KIBASWAP. So Kiba is actually in two separate chains. You can buy Kiba on the Ethereum blockchain, or you can buy Kiba on the Binance Smart Chain. That's really up to you. But we also have a bridge, so you can swap your coins from one to the other. Today, we're going to buy some with Ethereum and some with BNB, so you can see how easy it is. So to start off, go to kibainu.org. And if you scroll down here, you'll see what is Kiba Inu, and then you'll see that floating KIBASWAP app to the right. You can make your transactions from here, or you can just click here where it says Kiba app, and then you'll just get it in full screen. I personally find it easier, but that's really up to you. But to me, it's more comfortable to have it in full screen. So now you're going to have to connect your wallet here. In this case, we're going to be using MetaMask. That's just what I use. So just go ahead and put connect wallet. I'm going to choose MetaMask. It's connecting. Okay, that's it. Okay, so first you need to select what currency you're going to be using to buy. So to start off, I'm going to be using some BNB. And now you're going to select what currency you're going to buy. So we're just going to click on Kiba. And as you see here, it's going to show you how much BNB you're going to use and how much Kiba that's going to get you. So it's really easy. Now, before we hit swap, let's talk about the setting button you have here. If it's your first time buying, maybe just leave it as it is. But so you know, you'll be able to set your transaction speed and adjust your slippage. So we aren't going to go into depth on what slippage is, but just so you have a general idea, the percentage that you put here is how much more you'd be able to pay for this transaction. So remember, prices in crypto change constantly. So between the time you place your trade and the time it actually gets executed, chances are there was a price fluctuation. So by setting your slippage percentage, you're telling the DEX it's okay if the price varies X%. Kiba has a 6% tax on buys, so keep that in mind when you're putting your slippage percentage. So it'll be at least 6%. Anything underneath that will give you an error. Do keep in mind at the time of filming this, there's a 0% tax on buys for some limited time. But for now, it's normally 6%, so maybe you'll see your percentage number being a bit more than 6, whereas you'll see mine closer to 1. Now, all we have to do is click swap, and we're done. Let's just wait for our transaction to come through. And there we go. We just bought some Kiba with BNB. I already had the token added because I already had some Kiba on the Binance Smart Chain. But now, if you have MetaMask, it lets you just move between the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum blockchain. So I'll be able to just come here and change chains. Okay, now we're going to buy some Kiba with Ethereum, and I'll also show you how to add the token. So same thing here. We're going to pick what we're swapping for Kiba first. In this case, it's Ethereum. Select how much. And now that we're going to buy with Ethereum, let's talk a little bit about gas. So gas on the Binance chain is a lot lower, so it's not really an issue. But the Ethereum blockchain is a lot more expensive to operate in, and sometimes high gas is really an issue. So here we can see the SQUA number, and that'll let us know how high or low gas is at this time. And actually KIBASWAP will let you subscribe here. So if you just go ahead and click here, you can subscribe, and it'll tell you when gas is under 85. So if you want to buy but gas is too high at that point, you can wait for it to go down and it'll let you know, so you can come back later and make your transaction. And again, I'm not going to go too deep into what gas is, but just so you have a general idea, in order for a transaction to go through, when you're operating in a blockchain, you're going to have to pay a fee, and that fee is what we call gas. So in this case, the fee is in Ethereum because we're in the Ethereum blockchain. In case you're doing transactions within the Binance Smart Chain, then you're going to have to pay that fee in BNB. And whenever you move tokens around in the blockchain, you're going to have to pay that fee, and it's independent from the exchange. So if you want to just give some Kiba away to a friend, you're still going to have to pay gas. And again, it's super easy. Just hit swap and wait for the confirmation. Now, in this case, I have to add the Kiba token on the Ethereum side to my wallet. And it's really easy. Just click here and add the token. You can also just come here, click on add token. And if you go back to the KibaInu website, so that's kibainu.org, you come here where it says tokenomics. You have both contracts, Kiba's contract on the Binance Smart Chain and Kiba's contract on the Ethereum blockchain. So just copy that and just paste it here. And then you'll be able to add your token to your wallet. This was just a quick video to show you how easy it is to buy Kiba on KIBASWAP. As I said before, it's one of the things that sets us apart from other tokens. And another thing that sets us apart is our community. So thanks to you, thanks to the Kiba crew, our social engagements are going through the roof. So just keep rating, keep holding, and I'll see you next time.